guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh, today I am vlogging. Azika has gone out to play. She will be back in some time. But my husband is spending a lot of time trying to find where the remote is. Did you find it?
She said it's somewhere here.
Yeah, we keep hiding the remote from Azika because if it is in her hand, she will just press all the buttons, change the setting and stuff. So yeah, I was just about to go make lunch for Azika because she all of us were really sick past 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks. We were all really sick. First, my husband goes and breaks his hand and comes. I'm just being dramatic. He didn't break it, but then he hurt his hand. So I was extremely busy with Azika, and then Azika fell sick. I think she had viral because she was throwing up and she couldn't keep anything down, and it was really, really hectic. So every time after she falls sick, she loses her appetite completely. She goes from eating really well to losing weight and completely rejecting food. So this is the time I try and offer all of her favorite foods and try and keep offering her food for her to get used to the idea of eating again. So I thought I'll make some prawns today because Azika loves prawns. And yeah. Hi! Where do you? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Mama. Yes? Okay, so I am thinking of making butter garlic prawns for her because she just came out of um, viral where she was barely eating anything, and I don't want to um, put masala and all of that and give her. So I'm gonna make something light. I'm hoping she will eat. I don't know if she will, but yeah, let's just prep for it. So literally everyone in Bangalore I know is falling sick. I don't know what is it about the weather, but it is really, really bad. And the viral fevers are also so different, like I barely had any body pain, but I had the worst. I mean, I barely had any fever, but I had the worst body pain. So I really don't know what's happening with people and the health. I just honestly think it's the food we are eating. The food is just so bad when it comes to the quality and all of that. But what can you do? There's not much you can do. I so close to growing my own food, guys. I think I'm going to just start growing my own food. But this butter garlic prawn is pretty simple, and most of the times, when she's not in the mood of eating, also this somehow she manages to eat. So yeah, and she also likes sweet potato fries. But I'm just going to peel maybe 3 cloves of garlic and then just chop it finely so that she can still eat the garlic, but she's not very thrown off by the taste.
Come sit. Sit. Sit.
Bubs, you'll sit with her. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay.
Yummy.
So I cook for you and then you feed Dada everything. Why are you feeding Dada? Please
But
eat.
she removes all the flavor from her mouth
Uh,
and then gives me the remaining.
Okay, so while she's eating, I'm going to quickly make something for Deepak and I. Today, our routine actually got delayed a little because Deepak had work and Azika slept really late. So, I'm just going to make something quick so that we can also eat with her. She loves it when we are eating with her. So, I'm going to make quick prawn fried rice because there's prawn.
Her husband has the same issues. It's possible for two people to have
Cute.
the same symptoms for two different
She's
reasons.
She barely ate.
Yeah, but
Eat of the prawns and I don't waste it.
who, me?
Yeah.
This is already eaten prawns. Forget eat the prawns.
Can you not? Can you not? Can I say hi?
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say,
How are you?
Hello.
say I love you. Say I love you.
That's special.
That's special. Yeah, so we just finished lunch. Jump. We just finished lunch and now Deepak and I are deciding who's going to give her a bath because, yeah, after she eats it's quite messy. So, because I am the one who makes all the decisions, I've decided Deepak is going to give her a bath.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? No, no, you're fine. You're fine.
Puri.
My daughter's so dramatic, guys. Like, she'll fall and then she'll be in that position till she gets all the attention. No. No. Say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Did you get hurt? Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah, baby. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Are you okay? Okay. Hmm. Shush. Shush. You want fish? You want your Bible? Get your Bible. It's there. Get your Bible. My Beth. I want my Bible. Pull it. Pull it. Bye-bye. Okay. A for? What's this? Apple. What's this? Balloon. What's this? Cookie. Cookie. Oh, you want to eat num 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 num. Num 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 num. Okay. So finally I won and my husband gave her a bath. But exactly when he was going to give her a bath, he said that he wants to go to the toilet and then I had to do everything. So yeah, right now we are leaving to church. Deepak has a lot of work in church and I'm usually there to support him. But yeah, that's it guys. That's it for the vlog. We are taking everything really slow because of the fact that we are still recovering from being sick for so long. So yeah, I will meet you guys in my next video. And I also wanted to tell you that if you are watching any of my shorts and you want the link of some product, just look down to the related video and in that description box I would have definitely mentioned the links of the products that were used in the shots. So yeah, that way you don't have to keep searching. You can just, it's just one more extra click, but you will find the links to everything there. I will meet you guys in my next video. Right now, Azika is troubling Deepak.
Yes.
Just getting milk ready. Dad, I'll give you the milk. Not that. Where's the Milton flask?
It's here, it's here.
Milton
Oh,
flask.
Milton, no, take it, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.